Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by swiping left through home screens until you reach the app library. This is where iPhone organizes every installed app. Tap the search field at the top and type part of the app name to jump straight to it, or scan the alphabetical folders for visual grouping. Once done, glance at recently added and suggestions. iOS often surfaces new downloads there. Make sure to note whether the app shows a cloud icon. That indicates offload, not deletion, which matters for the next steps. If App Library doesn't help, pull down in the middle of any home screen to open Spotlight and type the app name. Spotlight finds hidden, offloaded, and foldered apps quickly. Next, open Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage to get a full list ranked by size. This shows installed versus offloaded apps and helps you decide whether to reinstall or delete. Tap an app entry for details, then use Offload App to free space while preserving data, or Delete App to remove it entirely. To finish, open the App Store and search the app. If you see a cloud icon, tap to reinstall. This restores the app without losing iCloud data in many cases. If an app is missing from purchases, check Family Sharing or use the App Store account menu to view hidden purchases. Finally, if apps fail to appear or install, restart your iPhone and check Settings General Software Update. Often an update or simple reboot resolves indexing and install issues, so try that before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.